Hey everyone and welcome back. I love all things scones, whether they're plain, fruit or savoury. Today I've got a fabulous recipe for you for a lovely cheese scone. I like to include 2 additional ingredients in these cheese scones. They are freshly chopped chives and mustard powder. These are entirely optional, but I totally recommend them. Okay folks, let's get started and make cheese scones. We're going to start by placing the baking tray in the preheated oven. Once you've done that, start by placing self-raising flour in a medium-sized bowl. Into this, add the baking powder and the butter. I like to freeze and grate the butter as this will help the scones to rise. Rub the butter in with your fingertips till you have breadcrumbs. Next, add the freshly chopped chives if you're using them, salt and pepper, mustard powder, this is also optional, and the grated mature cheddar cheese. Now make a little well in the centre and pour in the milk. Stir again, and I find it easier to get your hands into the bowl to bring it together into a ball. Now lightly flour your work surface and your hands. Place the dough ball on the floured surface and fold it a couple of times to get it nice and smooth. Shape the dough into a round shape about 4 centimeters thick, thicker the better. Using a 4 centimeter round cutter, you can also use a 5 centimeter and cut the scones out until you've used up all the dough. Place the scones on the warm baking tray, brush with a little milk and sprinkle some grated cheese on top. We all love these cheese scones, whether they've got chives in them or not, they're absolutely delicious. Into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. These smell gorgeous, allowed to cool on the tray for 10 minutes before placing on a wire rack. These scones are best eaten warm, but we're not going to eat them all in one day, so what I do is, on the day I'm using them, I'll pop them into the microwave or just place them in the oven for a couple of minutes to heat them up. I love to serve them at breakfast for a lazy day, or my daughter loves them with a slice of ham between them for her school lunch. If you try out this recipe, please let me know what you thought of it. Thanks so much for watching and happy baking everyone.